Hello guys, today I am discussing you the Suunto Clinometer. Here is the product Suunto Clinometer. You can see it. Here is Suunto Clinometer. Here is the eyepiece. You can see the eyepiece. This is mainly used in, and here is the side. This is Suunto Clinometer. Here is the scale. You can see the scale here. The distance is 100 meter. 100. You can see this. This is Suunto Clinometer. Suunto Clinometer is used to calculate the height of the tree. You see here is the eyepiece. If we use this, and we will find the height of the tree approximately. You'll see how to calculate height. At first, look at this eyepiece. If you see the camera here is some lines, diameters here. If you watch carefully, here is the some 70, 60. Here we can only measure the right distance. You can see 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. There is the distance. You can see here. Right side. We will use the right side to measure it. We go to a tree, and the distance between the tree will be from me would be 15 meter, and we will take the bottom measurement and the top measurement, calculate it. The formula is top reading minus bottom reading divided by scale into distance. The distance will be 20 meter and the scale is 100, and you will find a top reading when you was this top height level, and you will find a bottom reading. The reading must be negative. The bottom reading will be negative. Here is a minus, and here is a minus. Minus will be plus, and you will find a plus bottom reading and top reading, and calculation will be in this process. And the height of the trees is how measure in this process. In the measurement, we always focus on the right side distance, not the left. We will not calculate the left, only the right side distance will be calculated.